What's up, guys? Stand back for another video, and as you can see, I have 2 packs of Japanese Gym 2. I got these on eBay for actually a very good price. I got both of them together for $9, and they usually go for about $7 each. So being able to get both of them for $9 is a pretty good deal. So yeah, let's get into it. I am trying to collect this set. So if you have any of the holos that I need, check my wants list for that. Hit me up. So alrighty, and the thing that I love about these, I almost forgot, you have to turn them around so that way you don't see, because the holo's in the front. So okay, it's a holo and a rare in each pack. Okay, so we have in Arcanine, not Arcanine, Growlithe, Coughing, Ekans, Meowth, Machoke, Tangela, a Garbage Trash Exchange, something like that, a Ivysaur, and the rare is the Brock's Dugtrio, and the holo is, oh yes, what an epic extra to get. This is an extra, so at least this is an awesome extra to pull. This is my second Blaine's Charizard. Actually, you know what? I might think about getting this one graded, since this is my second one. The first one's already in my set. That is epic. So I'm gonna set that right there. See if it'll stand up. There we go. Alright, so let's get on to this second pack. I always gotta like jiggle the cards all the way down to the bottom because I'm kind of like scared that I'm gonna cut the cards. Alright, so a holo. Okay, so we have a Charmander, Hypno, Zubat, something, Meowth, Ekans, another Meowth, another Machoke from the last pack. This is our rare, which is a Koga, pretty sure. That's epic as the rare, and the holo is, ooh, sweet. Awesome one to pull. Epic. A Sabrina's Gengar. That is so epic. That's an epic holo to pull. So out of these 2 packs, really good pulls. We got a second Blaine's Charizard, which I might think about getting graded. And then we got a Sabrina's Gengar, which I needed for my set. So, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Don't forget to like for these awesome pulls. And I'll catch you guys next time.